Cars ride in all of her beauty. So me, Russell, and his girlfriend Victoria are here on a Saturday throwing in a little work. The black car needs to be cleaned, but mainly our demolition car needed some paint, and Victoria's the one that always does the amazing paint job. So they're over there taping it off. They're gonna bring it in, paint it, and I figured, hey, well, I'm here and sitting around, I might as well wash the black car. So let's get to work. All right, well, it's nice and cleaned up now, so start it up and let it, burn steam off some of this water under here. Alright, so upon close examination here of modifying this exhaust system, I find this location to be the best area to cut. So the cat looks like it's buried in there, a little more in depth than we're willing to get. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off right here, see if we can pull all this off and call it a day. So it appears I have the sharpest blade in the arsenal, so I may try a little bit more with this one, but we might have to get a new blade going because it ain't cutting. Yeah. I'm no expert, but I'm not so sure that that's good for what we're trying to do here. Looks like we got what we need here. Made in USA, that should cut it right off. Yeah. one cut down, at least one more to go until we get the pure sound of freedom out of this engine. See here, this is the perfect gap to release all the sound. So we may see if we can take the rest of this off, but we don't want to turn this into a couple day project, so this will accomplish what we need. This maybe if we have some time. Okay, so we got that taken care of, and you know, it just so gets you so pumped when you got the saw here. I'm just looking for anything else to cut, but I don't think it'd be safe to dig into too much more, so now it's time to start it up and see how it sounds. So we saw a lot of you commenting on this sweet ride that you wanted to see a wing on it. We definitely agree. We found these engine stands, so obviously they hold the engine up, but I think it'll work just good for a wing. What do you guys think? A little something like this. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Well, oh look, there. Now it's tight.
That's good. We'll just straight in the ride like this.
Yeah,
perfect. Now it's,
yeah, hey, good enough.
paint. As you can see, we got the extra downforce around here on the back. Go ahead and show you guys that. This is to make sure the rear tires of this front wheel drive car stay on the ground for best traction at all times. So you guys can tell the paint scheme obviously adds about, I'd say, 50 to 65 horsepower to this vehicle here. We did an exhaust modification. Russell, if you want to get down, I'll give it a little rev. You can get a good sound up there. I'm not sure what that weird belt slipping kind of sound is, but there it is. She sounds good. What do you guys think about the paint? I mean, it's spot on. I mean, we might as well be in the movie right now. See if this bad boy can do a tire shredder. American freedom right there. It spins them no problem. Probably just burnt off 75% of its tire life, but we may have to get a new set or something before Cleetus and Cars, but hey, that's what I like to see right there. Some good old carcass of the tire. That's how you know it was a good one. Let's take a look at the tire over here. Oh yeah, she's looking ready for this track. Sticky as could be. See this some call it dry rotting, but it's more just like a traction aging. It just helps you get better traction. So this thing's gonna be ready to go. Headlights broken, don't need that. We'll have the headlights of the people behind us to light the way. qualities of a vehicle like this are really next level. Think you can handle some of this?
I don't want that.
That should about do it. I mean, there's not much to say. I think the video proves, you know, just how fast and how much heat we're bringing to this Cleetus and Cars. The proof's in the pudding.